won't say much. I'm here to watch the movies. I just want to say to everyone, enjoy and appreciate. This is a great moment where we're really able to sit and relax and understand what we really have, the gift that we have as Jamaicans. A music that transcends all barriers, color, race, and creed, and something that unites and binds. And so everybody here tonight, we are one family. And I want to thank all the people in the industry here, have to give you your recognition, and also those our adopted brothers and sisters who have made a contribution and who recognizes the music and the culture. And I tell you, reggae will rule the world.
I was a little while, yeah, a little while. It's very edgy, yes, very edgy filming, but I enjoyed this show tonight. I thought that was really good.
One of the greatest in the field in the third of we just saw a movie, The Earth Story.
Good, very happy to be here tonight. Fabulous evening, fabulous festival. I just wanted to walk forward. Can you tell us about the film, how you got involved, and why you chose the subject? Working with Wayne Jobson and his brother Brian, we decided to bring musicians together as a tribute to him. And then we put the interviews together, and suddenly we had a story that told the roots of reggae. The thing that's important here is that Jamaica is such a special place that has created talent like Ernest Ranglin. And Ernest Ranglin is a man who's been taken for granted. He plays in hotels, he's been playing for forever. People always heard him. He's a great national treasure. And Jamaica has great national treasures, arts and music. In its most simple rasta, its fishermen. And it's a special place, and that comes through in the music, that comes through in the soul of what you said. How many years ago did you shoot the film?
Sorry about that, I apologize.
We did it a couple of years ago. It took about a year and a half, only because we were waiting for some people to be available, like Chris Blackwell, for interviews who were significant to the story. And so there's a little bit of a Rashomon going on in it, where Ernie says one point about but we do a lot of music videos and a lot of sort of quicker form things. So the editing style is like having different people answering the same question, and Wayne would ask a lot of the questions together. We would think of the storyline and then put them together with different points of view. That makes it very interesting.
Yeah, I noticed that there was a segue from one question to another question, and it seemed to flow very well.
Yeah,
reading a story.
It flowed and it built, and also there are different aspects of the story. People who didn't necessarily know each other. But when we brought Ernie up to see our dear friend Barry Hensel, that was great because they had worked together. They worked together on some of the music for the Heart of They Coming On. But they had not really spent a lot of time together. You know, and after that, we ended up spending the afternoon. We had a great time. They both contributed so much to what we know of Jamaica.
I thought it made it very credible, and integrity was very much intact. Thank you.
How important is the film festival? I mean, Jamaica's very first, art festival.
I think it's tremendously important. I mean, it's fine for me to come. I was born in New York and grew up in Jamaica back in the day, and I was in Los Angeles. But the thing that's exciting to see Jamaicans experiencing their own legacy, and to bring these films together, project them. Last night we were outside the Emancipation Garden watching Peter Toshman, and to see the quality of the work, the quality of the subject matter. And one thing that always comes through to me is the way Jamaicans burn on the street. You see that each man is a symbol, And it's very important to recognize it, for the government to support it, for the people to support it, because it's one of the great treasures. Certainly it's better than books.
Well, thank you very much for speaking to ITV. And you notice how we Picture Entertainment, we're here at the Reggae Film Festival, the inaugural Reggae Film Festival, Jamaica's very own Academy Awards, where we pay homage to our music and our fancy. Peter Lydie and William Cow. That's my story. That's right.
Had a history of filmmaking. In the mid-90s, I was responsible for producing
We all enjoyed it.
The thing about Clash with, you think it was, I would say it was before its time, because we were the first major effort to show dancehall to the world. And as we all know, lyrics of dancehall sometimes find meaning in people. But when we look at what's happening in the music today, Clash was pretty by comparison. But I just had one thing to read. I think when you look at Clash, Jamaicans should be proud because it was made almost entirely by Jamaican people. And apart from the director, Will Park, and perhaps Jasmine Guy, it was all Jamaicans. And the quality of the film was well received. It was invited to Sundance, it was invited to Cannes, and may not have been a commercial success, but it certainly showed that we had talent.
Well, I mean, are there any plans to release it?
Well, you know, it had a stint on HBO and is now just released on pay-per-view. So, you know, the thing about film is this evening we enjoyed a film made by Jerry Brown, and that was made in '79, and we're all here enjoying it today. So, when we're going to look back at the history of reggae, we've got to look back to all the efforts between the '70s coming up to 2000. So every film has its merit, and it is the artist's way of showcasing themselves for eternity.
But as a reggae artist myself, I mean, you was a live TV viewers on the worldwide.
Well, let me say, we have a wonderful minister, Babsy Baker, in charge of culture and sports. She has been in the business, she understands the business, and she's committed to the business. Myself, I love reggae music to the one kill me.
So it's high TV, so you Picture Entertainment.
First, I must say, bless for us. Bless. I can't say more, you know. You will speak more.
Listen, we just had the privilege of viewing your film, Chile Spring, 79, I think it was, which obviously was groundbreaking. Right? What have you been up to lately in terms of music, film, etc. in Canada? I mean, are you still in Canada?
No, I'm in Jamaica now. Like I used to sing in Jamaica because the 4 songs, Fat Man Up and Down, was last.
Brilliant music.
We did over Baba and we did a song called Crazy Bird. It's called like, you know, girls, they dress up, this big bag on their back, and the one thing they got at the beach.
Now, when the idea for the film, what's the name of the film?
Well, first we had a name for Reflection of Paradise. But no, it's the anthology of Summer Record.
But why did you decide to, because this was the 1970s, why did you decide that you needed to do this to bring reggae to the world to Canada?
I want to tell you, I never really have a plan like that, you know. Everything just falls in place. Like all the records, we have the studio there with Johnny Osborne.